Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do an oil change today on that BMW 328i. It might be about the same, guys, for the regular 3 Series, the one that's just rear wheel drive. We will demonstrate on that 2007 328i using Mobile One. He probably recommends to use BMW high performance oil, but we like to use Mobile One as well. And for that specific engine and model, you will need about 6.9, almost 7 quarts, I think, or 6.5 liters. The other engines that are not 4-wheel drive, they might take more, so check your manual for that. Okay, now we're going to... Okay, and it's quite a bit of a mess here, guys, but we'll have to do it, okay? And that's the filter right here. So we're just gonna put it in the pan now. Okay, and you can see the oil is leaking down, okay, in the oil pan. Okay guys, now the old filter right here, we are going to go ahead, you need to pull it out of the plastic thing right here. Okay, you can see that's just the filter, so we're going to recycle that filter now, take it to your recycling center. And there is one rubber, okay, you can see rubber seal right here that we need to replace. So with a small screwdriver or a knife, but just be careful, those sometimes are a pain in the butt and you can cut yourself. Okay, we just cut it like that and we're going to install the new one. First make sure that your kit comes with a new one, because if it doesn't, you don't have anything to install there, and without it, it's not going to keep the oil pressure. Okay, that's the little O-ring we're talking about now. And just slide it over there. Okay, just like that. And now next thing, we'll just go ahead and slide the filter on this part now. It's pretty tight. Okay, like that. And this seal is for the cap that we're going to replace now. Okay guys, if you take your car for an oil change to some small shops, always check if they replace the oil filter, because if they don't have them in stock, they'll tell you they did, charge you, and not replace it. It looks like this one wasn't replaced for a long time, to be honest with you. And we've seen so many like that. It just, I don't know, it's crazy. And we're going to install it there, like that, you push it in. And now we're gonna change the seal there. You can see that seal hasn't been changed in a long time as well. Instead of being round, it's squarey looking. You can see for how long it's been there. So always check that they do it right. That's why we prefer doing our own oil changes and not going anywhere. Except if it's probably a good dealer, then you can trust those. Or people that you know, or shop that you know that do a good job, always check the reviews. But there is nothing better than doing it yourself. And we made a little bit of a mess. We're gonna wash the engine after that, unfortunately. It leaked a little bit of oil here. So we're gonna get this one tight now. Don't over tie that thing. It doesn't need to be over tight. You need to make sure that it's sealed good, okay? And you can see there is no gap between the two. So we're done up here, guys. Just don't forget to get this one tight. And we have the car on a charger because we were detailing it, doors were open, so we're just charging the battery. And next, you will need to jack the front end of the car in the air, and we're going to show you where exactly the oil plug is. Okay, it's towards the back. You can see that metal plate. It's towards the back. There is a bolt, okay, right here, with a 17mm socket that we'll need to remove. That's the drain plug. Okay, we got it loose. Get the pen to collect the oil. because it will be almost 7 cords, so it will be quite a bit of a mess. Okay, right there. And we're gonna let it drain for probably 5 to 10 minutes. And when you jack the front end of the car up in the air, actually it will be tilted this way and all the oil will come out that way. While we're waiting on the oil to drain, we're going to replace that washer there on the drain plug with a new one that came with the kit. So that way we will make sure that it seals good. Always wipe it around there. Okay, we drain it, guys. We're going to install the plug now, get that thing tight. Don't leave it for later, because if you do and you forget to get it tight, you're gonna lose it and ruin the engine unless you stop on time. But if you don't pay attention and you run out of oil, it's gonna run dry and it will pretty much mess up the whole engine. So get it tight now. Okay, like that. Okay, we're gonna get the jack stand out. We're gonna let the car down. We're done underneath. Nothing else to do there. Okay, and we're going to add oil now. And unfortunately, this model does not have our dipstick, so we're gonna show you how to check the oil level. Okay guys, we're gonna remove the oil cap now. This one you just twist and pull like that, it stays there. And we're going to add 6.9 quarts. Don't overfill it. If you do, you can damage the catalytic converter. It even says it in the manual. Okay, so 5W30 Mobil 1 full synthetic oil, or BMW high performance oil. Right here is the part number if you need it. We recommend using BMW. Okay, we empty the first jack. One jack is 5 quarts, so we just need. And that's the second jack, guys. We just added, so that's good. That should be plenty. We're going to get the funnel out. Don't forget to put the cap on, very important, otherwise you're gonna lose vacuum and oil as well while the engine is running. Spray oil everywhere. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start the car now. Stay with us, we'll have a video how to check on our channel the oil level. Unfortunately you have to warm the car up, so we'll have a separate video on that. But now you can just go ahead and start it. Okay, and there is no oil light or anything like that. So check out our video. It will be on our channel how to check the oil level. You don't have a dipstick unfortunately on that model, so you have to check it through the display. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.